This is my Gy6 150cc matrix SS. I'm having a trouble trying to turn it on. She was only turn it on with the starting fluid, but it just all of a sudden stopped working and you don't want to start. Let me try it for you guys to see what it does. I just recharged the battery, so the battery is full. I took out the spark plug and it's actually sparking. That's a brand new carburetor. The only thing I see is that over here, and this, it was actually touching this part right here, and it was burning a little bit, so I ordered that part. I ordered a new starter, but it doesn't do nothing so far. Let me see if it, because sometimes it just backfire. It doesn't do nothing else. So, if anything knows what is going on, I will appreciate your help. And I see you guys then.